Hey, honey, balls. Oh, what the fuck is that? Oh, no, there's smoke. No. My Jordans. Oh, no. I got the special ones. They were yellow and blue. No. What's that smell? What the fuck is that? Oh, what the fuck?
Hello, we've come to sell metallic dildos.
Metallic dildos?
Yes. Ching, ching, ching.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, shit, he has swords on his hands.
Not through these tight jeans.
Marty, grab him.
No. These don't.
Sir, stay still.
What about my Jordans? There seems to be a message here. No. No.
Sir, stop resisting.
No.
We have many products for you.
Ah.
Grab them. Oh, ouch. Oh, sir.
Oh my.